Good morning, guys. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya nag-golf. Maaga sila umalis, mag-alas 10 na.
Did I leave at 7 or something?
Yeah. Kanina pa ako gising, kasi itong dalawa, nagising sila mga 9, quarter to 9. And yeah, ngayon pa lang tayo mag-walking. And si Sak, gusto niyang mag-sausages. And yung carrot cake, ayaw nila. So ako lang atang kakain ng carrot cake. Masarap siya, hindi siya ganun katamis. So ito yung ating OOTD for walking. So meron tayo nitong black, green, and ito yung yellow. And siya, ayan, naka-ayos na rin. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, say you. And don't go to the pool, okay? Oh, Max is going to the pool.
And Kate.
It's Kate's parents, is it? Okay. Yeah, but Kate's parents there, right? Yeah, so it's alright. Kasi nandito. No, it's cold. That's why you get this one. No. There's no hot pool. No, you're not going to the pool. Because I'm not here. You're not going to the pool. Even Zachary. Alright, see ya. Wait for me. Daddy will be here soon. I'm not sure. Okay guys, see you later. Pababa na ako sa Yamba Main Beach. And nung naglalakad ako, tahimik dun sa taas. Wala masyadong naglalakad or nagbabike. Usually kasi pag naglalakad ako, may mga nagbabikes. Tapos may nagpipikik. Ngayon wala. Tahimik. Wala pang 11 eh. Ayan. Mayroong isa. Paano naman siya paatras naman siya maglakad. Hello! Ang cute niya. Paatras siya naglakad. And dito walang nagsasurfing today. Wala akong nakita dito sa side na to. Maganda yung weather. Although kaninang umaga, like mga 8, malamig siya. Okay, bababahan na tayo. Daan tayo ulit dito. Ayan, meron din na. Dito. Nandito pala sila. Ang cute. Cute niya. Sarado. Sarado yung coffee shop. Kalmado ngayon yung tubig. Kung maalala nyo, di ba, before, hanggang dyan sa may mga batuhan yung tubig. Ngayon, kalmado siya. And dito sa pool, walang nagsiswimming today. Kalmado lang din siya. Akyat na tayo. Punta na tayo sa sentro. So, pasok ako dito ulit sa My Feb Home Living.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page. It won't act its own age. It aches as it bends, folds at the edges. I'm out of my hand. Say that we're fine and all, 'cause we are. But where's that confidence? For someone who finds it hard to remember, where's that common sense? And now I wish to forget like normal people forget.
na nakuha ko sold out na. Meron tayong nakuha dyan na bowl na bilog din. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Pero parang wala yung ating car. Dumating na siguro si John. Wala rin si Willow. So, wala akong kasama dito. Umalis sila. At tapos lang natin mag-walking. So, wala tayong naabutan na tao dito. Siguro pagdating ni John galing golf, umalis sila kasi sinama lahat ng mga bata. And yung mga nabili ko pala doon sa My Feb Home Living, i-drop off na lang daw nila dito sa Blue Dolphin Yamba yung aking mga napamili kasi medyo heavy siya. Nilagay niya sa box and dadaan naman kasi sila dito pa uwi. And kilala na nila ako kasi halos everyday talaga pumapasok ako doon sa shop nila and tumitingin ako kung ano pa yung iba kong bibilhin. And yeah, kilala nila ako and in-offer nila na i-deliver na lang nila kasi alam nila na nag-walking talaga ako everyday papunta doon, pabalik dito. So wala talaga akong car. Kaya sabi niya, i-deliver ko na lang to doon. So kinuha niya yung number, tatawagan niya ako. And kung hindi ko man daw masagot, i-drop off niya na lang sa reception. So kakain ako ng yung nabili natin na chick balls and yung dip. Yun ang aking kakainin. And kanina tinawagan ko si Sak na ilabas tong chicken breast kasi ito yung aking kakainin mamaya. And yung boys, baka mag sausages sila, hindi ko alam. Basta ako alam ko na yung kakainin ko. For now, kain muna ako ng eto ba? Ayan, ang bait nung nung may-ari. Sabi niya, no, I'm just gonna drop this off. It's too heavy for you to carry. Kasi mayroon din na bag. Eto ba? Mayroon akong dalang bag. Sabi niya, no, it's not gonna fit. And it's so heavy. Sabi ko, okay, thank you. Ang bait. Pinak niya talaga ng maayos. Okay, kain muna tayo. Time is 1:54. Naka 7 tayo. 7. Oh, yeah, kain muna ako. Naka 7 point something tayo ng lakad.
I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out. Show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break our rules. I should've known you wasn't ready to be a lover for real. Could've kept it at a friendship.
Harap. Lagyan ko ng pepper. Good. Hi, Mom. Nandito na sila. Hi.
Pony.
Oy, I just clean, okay? Nung iniwan nyo to ang...
Did you go for a walk?
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Naglinis ako doon. Yep.
It's still on. I put it on last night, right? For tea. Went, I smoked it, and then it's still on after the bake.
You're the
Smell that.
best. Yeah. But stay last.
Yeah, last.
Hoy, kuya.
Hey, no.
Red
I
and brown.
didn't put them there.
Oh,
Ollie
who
did.
else?
I
Come on.
didn't put it. I
Well,
haven't
pick it up, please.
I have not touched my shorts in ages.
I got lots of shorts there on the Si kuya mahilig sa white. Kaso na-stain niya yung kahapon. Meron na naman.
Stainless. Did I?
Going down.
Been cleaning your mess here?
You're not my mess.
Not my mess.
Mum, we're going to Byron tomorrow.
Is it tomorrow?
Friday.
Oh my God, ang bilis. Tomorrow na pala yun. Yeah, punta kayo ng Byron Bay tomorrow.
We might get more stuff.
What? What's... Huh?
Clothes.
Who said?
Yeah.
Where, in Byron Bay? Why, do they have good shops there?
Probably one surf shop.
Yan si kuya. Yan, linis ako kasi pag dating ko dito may mga hugasan, tapos dyan yung mga fruit box, water bottle. Oh, ayan na siya.
Are you going on the skate park?
Are you going to the skate park? Wow. Did you catch any waves?
Yeah.
Akala ko i-grab niya na naman. Wow, it's alright.
No, I'm not wearing this shirt
Why?
because I don't want it.
Para talaga siya si Papa. Yung mga galawan niya. Lolo niya sa Pinas. Been cleaning your mess here.
Why say my mess? Tell me what was my mess.
Your
What?
clothes from golf. Your
Yeah, they're right
yeah,
there.
you didn't fold it.
Aliska Jan.
Anong alis ka dyan? Aray ko. So why are you changing again, sir? It's alright, that one.
No, wear these.
Yeah, you can wear that one.
These, yeah.
Yeah, why not? Oh, where are you gonna put that one?
What?
No, I mean that the one you're wearing now. It's alright. Yung isa kumuha ng tinta.
Hey.
Dad, you want one?
Say, Mum. Love you.
You always teaser. How are you? Wow, you didn't spray.
No, I didn't.
Why not?
I'm not wasting it.
Alright.
Dad.
See, be careful. Punta sila sa skate park.
Uh-uh.
Nagpalit na naman siyang t-shirt. And
Jumper?
kumuha siya ng jumper. Ayan si Kuya.
Got new
Twinkie,
shorts, Johnny too.
No, I bought these 3 days straight.
Hindi pa sila umalis kasi wala pa pala si Max.
Hey, is
Hinintay
this-
niya si Max.
Said Twinkie.
What?
Ang linis ng caravan.
Wow, Yanni, who is?
Tingnan sa'yo. Tingnan sa'yo.
That's what you get, mate. It's called karma.
What happened?
Just
What happened?
Jamie's finger.
Wow, you
smells
see
good.
I went to roll. I started going along the wall, and he gets my way. He was not going along the wall. Wait, I got in the back.
Zach. Zach.
Oh, wait!
Sit down. Shut the cupboard, Zach.
ang kukulit na nila.
Fine.
No crumbs, please. Okay.
Yeah, TJ.
I vacuum.
Oh,
I
cleaned
clean up.
everything.
No, you didn't.
Yep. I jarred my hand, I jarred my thumb. TJ punched me. That didn't hurt, of course. I wondered you.
Sit down, Holly.
TJ,
Looking for
do you
some.
think?
So, Zach, don't open a big packet of chips.
No, we don't have a small packet on. That's all they have.
Go outside, Nodie.
That's that.
Yanni?
Oh,
Let's put that Tim Tam packet back.
in the bin.
Very good. 4:58 na nakapagnap ako, guys. Si Jen nakaligo na. Gagawin ko yung salad. Ito ba yung fennel? Gawin ko to. May nakita kasi ako sa FYP ko. Dumaan lang siya sa akin. And naglagay siya ng coriander. Pero ako hindi ako maglalagay ng coriander. Ibahin ko na lang yung akin. So, i-recreate ko lang yun. And wala rin siyang lettuce na linagay. Pero maglalagay ako kasi
Go
may...
down the shop.
You're going to the shop now to get the...
I've got them. Just go in that shop.
Huh?
Go in the shop. He's already got everything. They're peeling potatoes now.
So, nakabili na
Key
rin.
up there, mate. Throw the keys on.
Ito sa ng shop. Si Willow and the other family nagkakat na rin ng patatas. Ang po ito. So, yung original na nakita ko walang lettuce. Pero maglalagay ako dahil meron tayo. Ang nilagay niya nga yun, coriander or cilantro. Dagdagan ko. Ayan, gamitin ko to. Ang sarap kasi niya, ang bango-bango. Tapos fresh. Ay, maglagay din ako nito. Tapos naglagay din siyang parsley. Wala tayong parsley. So, ito yung gagawin ko. May binili akong feta, parmesan cheese. May binili ako kanina pala. Duman ako dun sa isang shop. Yung maraming organic na paninda. Uy, ang bango talaga. Oh my God. Gusto kong amoy ng din. Gasan ko lang to. Ay, maglagay ako nito. Kasi meron tayong mga ganito. Para yan yung ating protein. Salt, pepper, lemon, balsamic vinegar from the house. Ano pa ba yung gusto kong ilagay dyan? Yan lang naman. Salt and pepper. Mayo. May Japanese mayo. Ako maglagay tayong mayo. And ito, maglagay din ako nito. Yung Mika Mani. Yung soya beans. Hindi ba? So yan, at saka yung chicken, ang akin. Sa kanila, baka mag-order na naman sila ng chips. Or magma-mashed potato sila. Yan yung ating minarinate na chicken. Okay, gawin ko lang ito. Naman yung hiwain, tsaka itong fennel. Ugasan ko ito. Ang ganda rin itong pang garnish.
You got me feeling good, right about your side. Lost in every move, riding down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can we tune it out? Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind. Can I? And by 6:08, give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be 6:08. all that you want. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night. We're never getting sober. Never getting sober. Know you want me feeling you right on top of mine. Lost in every groove, holding down your spine. Baby, hold me tight. We gon' be alright. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown. Oh, baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out.
Ito yung honey. Hoy, Sak. Turn down, please. One teaspoon siguro. One and a half. So, i-whisk lang natin ito. So, this one. Ano?
Yeah, it's good.
Ha?
Kasi,
Kasi,
it's alright, actually. No, it's good.
ito talaga. Gagano. Perfect. Sana magkasya siya dito. Ano yun? Ay! Oh no. May tirang konti. One and a half. Or two na lang. Two. Okay, yan. One pepper. Ito, parang walang seed. Ako nakita ang seed dito sa isang lemon. Doon sa kabila, nandun lahat. Okay. Olive oil. Ang gagamitin ko is avocado oil. So, wala tayong, merong pang measure dyan, pero tansyahin ko na lang. Siguro, half a cup or more. I-shake ko na. Eto. Hindi siya maganda. Kasi baka matapon. Sa jar dapat. Okay. Isar ko na yung apples. O isang apple lang ilagay ko. Tapos eto. Ilagay natin dito. Ilagay na natin to. Ayan na guys. Ready na. So, yan yung itsura niya. Yan yung ating dressing. Andyan. Okay. Try ko muna to. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan ko siya nito. Ito muna. Kasi ito hindi masyadong matamis compared dun sa ano. Oh, ang bango.
Back home. Heading on.
Okay, the microwave.
Is it power?
Mm-hmm.
Is it power now? Is it power now?
Maasim-asim. Kamayin ko na to guys kasi malinis naman kamay natin. Yan. Then eto. Mmm. Sarap. Kung gusto nyo manamis-namis, etong creamy. Kung gusto nyo maasim-asim na nag-aagaw yung konting tamis, etong isa. Pero pareho masarap. That's honey.
Oh, that honey smells good. Where'd you get that fork from?
Mine? Arte nito.
Here, just let me try now.
No, you have to have the dressing.
What's the dressing?
That one, the one
This?
yeah.
Here. Catch enough, catch enough.
Yeah, wait, you have to try every.
I like it nice.
Okay. Not too much. Not too
That
much.
was not a lot. Come on, Pony.
Okay, a little bit. Oh no, it's alright. But you have to
Is
get,
that apple?
yeah, cucumber, edamame.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you have to
Yep,
get,
good.
wait. Tell them, what do you think of? Anyway. Ano?
Where do you get an apple from?
From the shop. When we went to don't eat now because we're gonna
Have
have,
it later.
yeah,
Tell Pet to go on. Where's the small apples?
it's gone. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? Are you gonna eat it later? With
Apple.
not just the apple. Oy,
Apple.
what do you think in general? The dressing and the come on,
Apple's back.
the dressing and the salad.
Good.
Good?
There's one more apple.
Oh my God, wala na tayong apple. Alright, maglinis na ako dito. Hugas na ako dun. Ito, kailangan ko itong hugasan kasi dito ko gagawin yung gravy. Ayan na sila. Kumukuha na sila ng plate. Like here, bread. Do you need bread?
No, I'm taking that. But I'm on bike. Doesn't matter.
Magdadala. Here, butter. Yung akin di pa luto. Here.
Butter, Bonnie.
Not much butter here. Ilagay ko na dito yung salad. Yung ref natin tumutunog naman kasi nag-flick na naman yung fuse doon sa kung saan tayo nakakunek. Kasi nagluto ako ng chicken. Hindi siya pwedeng pagsabayin yung microwave tsaka yung electric pan natin doon. And meron ditong tira. So, ayan. Ito yung dadalhin ko. Yung ano na lang, yung gravy na lang yung hinihintay ko. So, ayan na pala yung chicken ko. Hindi ko dinala lahat kasi meron naman sila. So, yan yung akin. Yung sa kanila, yan. Yan. Potatoes. Wala pa yung ibang family. So, feeling ko ako lang talagang kakain nito. Kasi, hindi naman sila kumakain yan.
Rightio.
Let's do it.
I'm not fucking bothered with that.
Oh, no. Stop, you have to get spoon. Okay.
What?
For the gravy, I forgot the spoon for the gravy.
Send your mind.
Oh. Come on, Sak.
Mum wants to get a spoon. TJ, run and grab a spoon, quick, go. Flat out. You need fully trying to go.
Oh, yep, there you go. Wait, I need...
Max, come get a plate. Hopefully they've got lunch. You're right, man. You can get it. Go
Free sauce for the hindi burger.
What's in that?
There's Holly.
Good.
Have some? Quick,
Yeah.
someone.
You try. Edamame, the one, the piece?
Yeah, I don't
Japanese one?
No.
It's good.
Only a little bit.
Yeah.
And put it on the side.
Yeah. I'll get.
That'll
I'll
do, that'll do, that'll do. What's that?
I'll give you dressing.
Ah! Nice one, Rizzler. Yeah, that's not
No, you will like
too
it.
much.
No,
Gigi, you
try.
will like it. Is there popcorn kernels in there?
Nice dressing.
Nice, nice.
You want some
nice?
Maxi?
Ronnie,
No, I'm right.
mash.
What was I doing?
Get ready.
Si Sak
Not
bumalik sa
fork.
Carol kasi naiwan ko yung yung
No. Taste the
yung
carrot.
para dito
What?
sa gravy.
Oh.
This is my plate.
This one.
Yeah.
You want mashed potato, Holly?
Yes, I do.
You don't make me stab you.
Ang ganda ng dressing. Ang ganda. Ang sarap ng dressing na to. Thank you, Sak.
So are we going to barn or not then?
I don't know.
I don't want it.
Oh, I reckon, yeah.
I don't want it.
There before once. Yeah, he's having trouble. He's got it working, but he can't turn it on and off. Besides,
Tsura ng aking plate. And kay Jan, ayun.
any good?
Ayun,
Oh,
Sak.
I've got lumps in it.
Tapos na silang kumain. Ako hindi pa ako tapos. Si Jan, ayun, nagre-rinse na siya ng plates. And kami, maglalaro kami ng cards.
You bend it.
I know, right?
Sorry.
We don't need to do a welfare check. Tapos maglaro. Ito yung nilaro namin. 5 crowns.
We don't need to do a welfare
5
check.
crowns.
So that
Pinapipili niya kung anong susuotin niya. Magkaiba yung ano namin.
These.
Zach,
no, pick properly.
Pick properly.
No, actually.
these two.
This, that.
No, you have to be in a pair together.
So it's this, or
O that one.
This jumper, that top, and this top, or this green top,
That top.
this,
And then the green.
and then the green
green
back.
pa.
Okay.
And the jumper.
No,
you
no
can't
jumper.
Do that.
Oh, you meant green.
Okay, here wear.
Cool, yeah.
Okay, si Kuya. Kasi ako,
See you win.
si Jan pinili yung isa. Ako itong pinili ko.
Including me?
No, you're not.
Yeah, just saying if it was including me.
Well, wait for Kuya. Nagugas na pala ako. Ang ganda ng laro namin kanina. Yung crowns. 5 crowns. Maganda siya. Natutunan ko siya kagabi. Tapos, ngayon medyo okay na ako. Oh. Oh.
This top, that, and this, and that.
This.
Which one? Let
I
me
don't
see.
like them.
Okay.
What's this? John's.
Von zipper.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are too small.
That's good, Sak. That's
They're not
t-
small.
size. That's size
they're
26.
not small, they're fine.
That's
You
right.
can buy for nothing.
Face
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Face it!
Alright. Sinusukat niya na naman. Pang ilang sukat mo na yan.
I'm gonna set it up for Yanni.
Put it
Looks
down a bit.
nice.
You got it up too high. Up
Yeah.
a bit more. Just put it up where they normally go. Yeah, there.
Why do these look short?
Yeah, it looks nice.
And I reckon.
That one. Yeah, wear that one because you wore that shirt yesterday.
Them two, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to wear these two.
No,
No.
that one because you wore that last night. That pants,
Yeah.
shorts.
Wearing them.
No.
We
Well,
can-
don't think you're not wearing them because you're wearing them.
That's right. Don't
Oh,
waste
I'm
that one.
wearing
Well,
these.
wear it tomorrow.
Oh no, I want to wear these.
No.
Oh, because you wore that
You can wear
last
them-
night.
You can wear them at the pub again.
Yeah.
Feels like it's long, probably, eh?
No.
Nanonood si Jan ng
What's
footy.
happening? These out for tea.
No, tomorrow that one.
Honey, Mel's gonna
Para
be
talaga to si
back.
Papa mo. Ganyan si Papa.
Why don't I get something light?
Yeah, you got all dark
What?
Why
coffee.
does that smell like my perfume?
My God, yeah, I still smell your perfume. I got white. He took it back. A good white one. He took it back.
So these.
Lift your pants up.
He think it's a just.
These.
No,
Yeah.
they've got to go up a little bit further.
What do you think? Justin Bieber, sir?
Yeah, you don't have them hanging down a big crutch and pulled up, mate.
Justin beaver.
You haven't pulled up. It's sitting here.
It is there.
It's not in the belt. There.
No, look, it's alright like that.
No.
Okay, we're gonna wait. What take you so long?
Oh, that was a good shower. Well, I was in a good shower, took a crap, come back, my stuff was being moved by him, and I had this one with no pressure just dripping down. So I wait till he got out. So I went back into my spot, and it was just better.
Okay, your
None.
your sister has a
Anyone
question.
else done that? You're the last
Yeah,
one,
we
please.
were waiting for you. Okay.
That one.
What Zach choose?
I don't know. Come on, you choose your.
Okay, so I got this, the cherry top, and them, and I got this. Them pants.
Don't
Zach.
Zach. Don't say
The
anything.
green one, Zach? Yep, the green one. Then you choose what you want to wear. I choose green.
Why green?
Why green?
Because why?
Why?
TJ,
What?
what did you know I left?
Yeah.
No, you
Yes, I did.
You sure, Jan?
Yeah, the green one.
Um,
It says.
with this.
Brush your
it
teeth now,
comes with
please.
this jumper.
Oh no, I'm coming back.
Jan,
Ah, okay.
Jan, it comes with this jumper.
No.
Don't do the score, TJ.
What is
Okay,
it?
close the vlog now, Baba,
76.
please.
So guys, I picked this
Port Adelaide.
with a winner.
You're not the winner. We are the winner. Okay.
I'm wearing this, guys.
Okay. Close your close the vlog.
Thanks for watching our vlog, guys.
I'm not
Please
thirsty.
like and please subscribe. I forgot I was about to say subscribe. Please subscribe, and if you haven't yet, see you on our next vlog, which is Byron Bay.
Good night, guys.
Because I think I do.